Hey everybody, it's 4:03 and 24 seconds on November 7th. This is the main drawing for the Daredevil 168 pair, the 8.5 slab, and the raw copy. Over here are the 19 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to get the slab. Whoever comes in second place is going to get the raw copy. People that have multiple spots could come in first and second and win both prizes. So let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. Second place gets the raw copy. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final roll. 11. Jeff Lewis, first and second. Congratulations. He gets both prizes. Time is 4:04.